everyone, my name is Sakshi Tomar from FoundersCart, and today we are here to explain how a company can change its object clause. So for change the object clause, the company need to follow some steps that given in company law 2013. So let's start with the company object change process step by step. First of all, step-by-step procedure to change in the main objects of the company. So first thing you have to keep in your mind, that is memorandum of association is the charter of the company and define the scope of its activity. Company can alter its object clause by way of addition, deletion, modification, substitution or any other way. So you have to take the approval from the shareholders of the company to change the object clause of the company, and the shareholder will pass a special resolution for this purpose. Special resolution means we need to take at least 75% votes in favor of the resolution to change the object clause of the company. So now mandatory requirement: no alteration made in memorandum shall have any effect until it has been registered by the registrar. No alteration shall be made effective until it has been approved by the member of the company by way of special resolution. As I earlier told you, we need a shareholder approval by way of special resolution. First of all, we need to conduct the general meeting of the company, and to call the general meeting, firstly we need to conduct a board meeting. In board meeting, we have to give a notice to the board of directors of the company before 7 days from the date of the meeting, and in the notice we have to mention the purpose of the meeting, fix date, time, venue of the meeting, authorize any director or company secretary to issue the notice of the general meeting and to do such act as necessary for the purpose. Notice should be courier and mailed to all the directors of the company at least before 7 days from the meeting. Agenda of the meeting should be very clear. Agenda will be attached with the notice of the board meeting. Now, this is the draft for the notice of the board meeting. Accordingly, you can use this draft to prepare your notice for the board meeting. Now, you have just served the notice to all the directors, and after 7 days you will conduct the meeting. But remember one thing, even in any case, if you want to conduct the meeting on an urgent basis, then you can take a 90% approval of the director of the company to keep the meeting at a shorter notice. Now you are conducting a board meeting. Hold the board meeting. Check the quorum of the meeting, whether the required quorum is present in the meeting or not. If the quorum is present, then propose the new object of the company in front of the directors of the company, and after taking their approval, pass the board resolution as per this draft. So I have already made the draft according to your requirement. You can use this draft for resolution. Now get approval and recommend the same for shareholders approval. Now you have conducted the board meeting, you have just take the approval from the directors of the meeting. Now you have to issue the notice of the EGM of the company, and to hold the EGM, you have to just check when you are holding the EGM, you have to check the quorum of the meeting, whether the proper quorum of all the shareholders is present or not. So quorum should be checked first. Then check whether auditor is present. If not, then leave of absence is granted or not. You have to check that and record in your record. So pass the special resolution as per this format. You have to pass the special resolution as per this format, and then approval of alteration in MOA, and you, after taking approval in alteration in MOA, you have to make the changes in MOA of the company as per the resolution for which you have taken the approval of the shareholder of the company. So if you want to add, you can add the object. If you want to completely change the object, you can do the same, and you have to just take and prepare a proper altered MOA and get it signed with the date of the meeting with the directors of the company before submitting it to the ROC of your state. Now, coming to the form, we need to file one form to the registrar of company, that is form MGT 14. So for preparing the MGT 14, you can use the link that we have provided here. You can use the link and download the form. After downloading the form, you can open the form, and in first place you have to fill here the SIN number of the company, and after clicking on prefill, name and address of the company automatically filled. After that you have to select registration of resolution, agreement, postal ballot and proposed resolution under section 94. You have to select resolution here, and after that sorry, and after that you have to fill the date of dispatching of the notice, and then date of passing of the special resolution. And now you have to select the purpose of the resolution. So here you can select the purpose of the resolution, that is alteration in object clause of the company. We have mentioned the step by step here also, so you can just follow the steps. Now in attachment you have to attach a copy of certified copy of the special resolution that is approved by the shareholders of the company with a proper explanatory statement, copy of the notice of the meeting sent to the members, altered memorandum of association of your company after signing by the directors, copy of attendance sheet of the general meeting, and shorter notice if you are conducting your meeting at a shorter notice. So this is the complete process. After attaching here the proper attachment, you have to affix the digital signature of the director of the company, and after affixing the DSC you have to file the form within 30 days from the date of the special resolution to the ROC. So you have to just go there, and after that you have to open this www.mca.gov.in, and after that you have to log in here with your login ID and password. As I have my login ID and password, I'll just log in with my login ID. So as I have login with my login ID and password, I will go on my workplace, and after going on my workplace I will click here upload e-form, and then I'll click here normal form and browse the form from my downloads or from my desktop or from my system. And after that I'll click here upload, and after uploading the form I need to make the payment of the government fees to the ROC. You can pay through your net banking, through your debit card or credit card. So you can just make the payment to the government, and after making the payment, government will consider your form and they will respond you within 5 to 7 working days for your object change clause. And after that they will provide you a certificate that your company has changed the object clause of your company. So this is the complete process. Registrar shall then accordingly register the alteration, issue a certificate which will be conclusive evidence that all the requirements with respect to the alteration have been completely filled by you. So this is the complete process for change in the object clause of your company. Hope this video will help you to change the object clause in a professional and in a proper manner. Thank you so much.